In this activity, we were asked to draw these triangles here, and then we are asked to measure the angles of each triangle. Then we add the three at a time, the measurement of the angles. And then we're also asked to find the area of each triangle. So first we're going to measure the angles. So let's measure the angles of the three angles of this triangle right here. So I line on my protractor right there, and I'm going to measure here for the size of this angle. I find that it is 33 degrees. 33 degrees. That's right here. And of this angle is starting from here 107. So I say 107 degrees, 40 degrees. Let's measure the angles on this triangle. We have this angle right here, starting here. It's 40, it's between 43 and 44, so I'm going to say it's 43. 43 degrees. Now I'm going to measure this angle here. I line up my protractor very carefully, and starting over here, starting from here, I find that it is 109 degrees. And finally, I'm going to measure this angle. I line up my protractor very carefully, and I'm going to measure this angle, so it is 25, 26, 27. 27. So I measure the angles of these two triangles, and I'm supposed to add them afterwards and then discuss the results. The second part of this assignment is to find the area. To find the area of this triangle is relatively easy, because we're going to say that this is the base. And if that is the base, then we have that the height is given by this. Length. So I would say base times height divided by 2. The area of a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Now on this triangle here, we can see that we don't have any base that we can just say it's this much or this much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of this rectangle right here. I'll find the area of this rectangle, which would be 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 times 6. The area of this rectangle is 96 square units. Now I'm going to take away the area of this triangle, and this triangle. the area of this triangle is 4 times 11. 4 times 11 divided by 2. And it's 44 divided by 2 is 22. This area is 22. This is 5 times 6, which is 30, divided by 2 is 15. This area here is 16 times 2, that's 32, divided by 2 is 16. So I have 96 minus these 3, that's 22 plus 16 plus 15, that's 53. We're going to take away 53. Take away 53. This is 53. We're going to subtract it. And we end up with 43. So the area of this triangle is 43 units squared.